You're wondering why some videos get views and others don't get. The reason might be because of the thumbnail. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make stunning and professional thumbnail using Canva and InShot. This is VC Labs. We teach strategies on how to grow, tips on how to grow on YouTube. Let's dive in. You need two apps, Canva and InShot. Install this app in your phone. After installing it, let's go to InShot. The reason why we are going to be using InShot is because InShot is going to help us remove background from the picture that we are going to use in Canva. We go in InShot, pick the picture, remove the background. By tapping down here, there is a word cut out the background, and then save that picture to your phone. After saving the picture, let's go to Canva. When you reach Canva, you go where there is search and search, type in YouTube thumbnails. Type in YouTube thumbnails, then search. They're going to bring thousands of thumbnails. Scroll down and choose the one that you like. Tap on it. Tap on the picture that is on this thumbnail. Here down there is a word replace. Replace that picture. It's going to take you to the gallery and pick the picture that we saved from InShot. The picture that we removed background from InShot. Tap that picture, put it here. Frame it very well. There are captions on this thumbnail. Tap on that thumbnail and tap on that captions and change the captions to your favorable word, clickable word. Let's say, let me put how to make thumbnail. As you can see, the thumbnail is made in just simple steps. This is VC Lab. We teach strategy on how to grow on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss more of our interesting and teaching videos. Thank you.